Nyalic, proven clear coat corrosion protection from salt, fertilizer, urea, phosphate, potash, and more. A coating process developed with the help of industry customers, specifically for your material handling machines and processing equipment. In 2008, the corporate manager of equipment procurement for a large multi-site salt and fertilizer terminal operation was looking for a used, high-capacity wheel loader for use in urea. He inspected a used machine that was for sale and was amazed that, for its age, there was very little corrosion, and the paint appeared like new. The machine is coated with Nyalic, he was told by the seller. The manager had to know more about this Nyalic coating and called Nyalic. Intrigued with the information from the call, he scheduled a visit to our facility with his team. We met and worked out a plan. Together, we identified a priority list of corrosion-related problems on their material handling equipment. Our Nyalic team then developed a process and specific procedures to address each problem area. The challenge list included a longer service life for machines in salt and fertilizer. Their 2-year average life needed to increase by 50%, from 2 years to 3. Better residual values at end of lease or at trade-in, and the appearance of paint and metal parts needed to be exceptional. Less corrosion damage on weld joints, leading edges, hinges, fasteners, radiators, intercoolers, fans, wiring harnesses, electrical panels and connectors, arms, booms and sticks, and engine bays. Affordable cost of the coating, a field maintainable coating performed by the operator, and a responsive technical support. The initial coating process that our Nyalic team developed was very successful. The 50% increase in average machine service life in urea was achieved, extending the use from 2 years to 3 years. In fact, we examined the machine after 3 years and found little corrosion damage. So the customer kept the machine in service. We inspected it again after 5 years, at which point it did not look like new, but was still in good serviceable condition. Our last check was by phone after 7 years, but by then the machine had just been sold and was not available for inspection. The customer had decided before the end of the first year to have Nyalic apply to all their new machines acquired for salt and fertilizer use. Nyalic customers in the salt, fertilizer, and industrial chemical industry include mining operations, processing plants, transporters including barges, ships, rail, and bulk trucks, ag chemical blending operations, high-volume users and distributors including co-ops, state and municipal DOTs, and water purification plants. Today, our processes are vastly improved, expanded, and refined as a result of the direct input from our growing list of salt and fertilizer customers, their equipment operators, mechanics and managers, as well as many of the major equipment brand dealers and their technical service teams. They have all provided invaluable information about their need for help on specific issues on various types of equipment and brands. Several high-profile industry companies have specified Nyalic coating in their bid requirements for all equipment destined for salt and fertilizer environments. Now, even some manufacturers and many dealers are suggesting Nyalic to customers seeking corrosion protection in salt and fertilizer. Nyalic's product confidence and commitment is even backed by a 3-year limited warranty on the coating. Economic benefits reported by customers include extend service life of their material handling and processing equipment, higher residual values at trade-in or lease termination, reduced corrosion-related downtime, reduced corrosion-related maintenance, labor, and parts replacement, reduced need for rental equipment to back up primary machines down for corrosion-related repairs. Let's take a quick look at what Nyalic is, what it does, and where it's used. What is Nyalic? Nyalic is a water-clear, flexible, hard-coat resin that provides a permanent protective coating. It is not a wax, paraffin, polish, or other temporary sacrificial transport coating. When properly applied, it will not yellow, crack, peel, or flake. What does Nyalic do? Nyalic forms a clear seal to prevent the water, dirt, and corrosive chemicals from reaching the underlying bare metal or painted surface. This protective barrier inhibits paint oxidation, metal corrosion, pitting, and staining caused by external attacks. Where is Nyalic used? Nyalic is suited for commercial material handling equipment and industrial processing equipment working in or in close proximity to highly corrosive chemicals like salt, fertilizer, phosphate, potash, urea, corrosive fumes and gases, and even coastal salt air and seawater. Nyalic is also a perfect shield to protect all types of ag equipment working in similar environments. Nyalic is used as a high-performance, permanent transport protective coating that eliminates the need for ineffective and difficult-to-remove temporary sacrificial coatings. How is Nyalic different? Nyalic's flexible hard-coat resin forms a permanent protective barrier that seals out moisture, blocks corrosive chemicals, protects bare metal and painted surfaces, is non-conductive, does not create heat buildup, has no effect on heat transfer, is thermally stable from below 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, mitigates galvanic corrosion, remains clear, is field repairable, and is backed by a 3-year limited warranty. What is the secret to Nyalic protection? Attention to details. Our technicians remove roof panels, all-access panels, gaskets, fenders, ladders, lights, and other items necessary to reach deep into the machine and chassis. This extra effort and attention to details ensures that all sensitive components are thoroughly coated and protected. Sensitive components include wiring harnesses, panels, connectors, electronics and PC boards, engine bay sensors and components, fans, radiators, intercoolers, chillers, engines and transmissions, body panels, arms, booms and sticks, welds, leading edges, hinges, and fasteners. Does the coating require maintenance? The answer is yes. If you want to significantly extend the service life of your machine, reduce maintenance costs and downtime, and to realize higher residual values. Some customers do no maintenance at all on the coating. This picture shows 2 bolts that were packed in wet road salt for 1 year. Which bolt had no protection, and which bolt was washed once a month and touched up with a Nyalic aerosol when necessary. It's simple, fast, and easy for the operator to keep the coating intact and the corrosion protection effective. Nyalic benefits as reported by customers include: helps ensure machine reliability, reduces downtime, reduces productivity loss, reduces labor hours lost, increases earnings, reduces maintenance, reduces expenditures on rental of backup equipment, extends machine service life, maximizes potential resale and trade-in value, and reduces end-of-lease expenditures. Nyalic application services are available to all equipment dealers for all types of equipment. How do I get Nyalic applied to my new material handling equipment? Contact your equipment dealer to obtain a quote for a Nyalic factory technician to apply the coating to your new machine. Most quotes are available within 24 hours, Monday through Friday. Call us at 770-690-1480 or email sales@nyalic.com. And visit our website at www.nyalic.com to learn more about Nyalic's capabilities and the other markets that we serve, including marine, transportation, and industrial markets.